Dr. Arvind Poswal this side from Delhi, and today we will be starting on our journey of anti-aging. So I hope you have started reducing your weight and calorie restriction as we told in our last talk. Reducing the body weight is very important in anti-aging medicine. Not that you have to become undernourished or underweight. So today we will talk about how to collect our basic statistics before we start anti-aging. So please note down in a place over a period of 1 week the following things: your body weight after you take bath and before you eat meals, your body temperature twice a day, morning and evening, your blood pressure preferably in the morning before you start any activities. These are some basic things which you should monitor on a regular basis. Apart from this, make a noting of any disease that you have currently or any medications that you are taking currently. Are you allergic to any medicines or any food items or anything? Please make a list here. Now, blood pressure, body weight and body temperature. This I want you to measure at least 3 times in the first week before you start anti-aging regimen. Apart from this, you will need some laboratory work, so that we get your basics, your starting basics of the inside of the body. You may contact me to get a full list of those tests which I normally prescribe for this, or you can go for a full body checkup with a particular focus on all the hormones in our body. Of course, make difference in the male and female body as appropriate. The lab work must include tests like CRP, C-reactive protein, to monitor any inflammation. Inflammation is one of the reasons of aging. Many of these tests would be required on an empty stomach. So we recommend that you take all the tests of blood tests as well as urine and stool test early in the morning. It is a good idea to get a chest x-ray done, a routine chest x-ray and a full body, full abdomen ultrasound to rule out any pre-existing conditions, any tumors or any underlying disease about to erupt. Now I assume it should take you around 1 week to get all these things in place. This will be your basic of the anti-aging, so that we know how your body was before you started. The next step would be checking of your biological age. That will require a blood sample. You can contact me at my email or by WhatsApp on my phone. I will be able to guide you to the nearest lab near you which can provide this facility. Please remember, biological age is best measured by blood sample, not by sputum or by urine analysis. The biological age will tell you how basically you have neglected or taken care of your body. For example, Your birthday age or chronological age may be 50, but if you have neglected to look after your body, like stress, no regular eating hours, no restrictions on eating, and absolutely no exercise, you may actually end up showing a biological age of 60 or even more. We'll keep all these things which we have collected before starting the anti-aging regimen. At this time, it is also a good idea to get your complete DNA or genome mapping. A complete genome mapping will help you or the doctor identify the diseases that you are predisposed to genetically, so that adequate measures can be taken both in terms of diet as well as medicine to prevent the occurrence of the disease, or if the disease has occurred, then to try to cure or subdue it. The complete gene mapping also helps us in choosing the best diet for our body and helps us help our next generation identify the similar diseases which they are predisposed to and can take preventive measure. So this is for today. Before starting on any anti-aging regimen, we have to collect this entire data. You can contact us for maintaining a more exhaustive database. You can include your height in centimeters, measurement of your calf circumference, measure your biceps relaxing circumference, put a measuring tape around your chest, exhale completely, measure, note down how much it is, then inhale as deep as you can, hold, and then note the measurement. So these are some of the basic things which you have to collect at your end to show to your doctor before we can start your anti-aging regimen. Meanwhile, also note down your entire daily eating habits, the time at which you eat, the quantity, and the food items that you are consuming, so that we know the calories that you are consuming on a daily basis. That has to be compared with the ideal calories that you should be taking given your body type, your metabolism, and the amount of exercise that you do. That would be a big starting point which we'll talk about next. Thank you.